Hi everyone, welcome back to Make It with Moyaa Mondays, where we show you how to do simple do-it-yourself recipes using our shea butter products. We want to stress these are fun do-it-yourself recipes and are not professional formulations. We'll show you how to keep your products safe using natural preservatives when necessary, and if you want to do more advanced formulations, you'll need to research natural preservatives. So for today's recipe, we're going to show you how to do an anti-chafing cream, because let's face it, it's hot out there, ladies, and sometimes we need a little help with our thighs and the girls. So we're going to show you how to make a really simple anti-chafing cream that you can use to stay comfortable this summer. To make these recipes, you simply need a few bowls and utensils. If you have a rice cooker, you can use that to melt your ingredients. If not, you can use a double broiler on the stove, or you can use a glass mason jar in a pot of hot water. So for today's recipe, the ingredients we're going to be using is, of course, our Moyaa Shea Butter. And I've put some in a bowl here. And we're going to be using Arrowroot Powder. Now, Arrowroot Powder can be found at any health food store and in some grocery stores. And it's going to help to just pick up the moisture in your skin, so it's going to help keep you dry. And you're also going to use a little bit of wax. Now here I'm using Candelilla Wax. It's a plant-based wax, so this will be a vegan recipe. You can use beeswax if you prefer that at home, or any kind of plant-based wax. Start by adding your wax to the rice cooker. You're going to add your Moyaa Shea Butter, and you're going to take that and let them melt. Once it's melted, you can remove it from heat and add it to your bowl. You're going to add your arrowroot powder a little bit at a time while mixing and letting the arrowroot dissolve. Once it's mixed thoroughly, you can add it to a beaker, which will just make it easier to pour into your mold. Make sure you get every last bit. Using a little scraper is great. For this recipe, we're going to use lavender essential oil, but you can use any other combinations that you like, that you prefer for scent. We're going to use about 10 drops in total. Simply give it a little stir. We're also adding a little vitamin E, and this is just going to help the essential oils to not oxidate. You can pour into a clean deodorant tube that you might have recycled from at home, or you can use a glass jar. You need to put it in the fridge to harden, and when it's done, it'll give you a nice glide. So I hope you really like that recipe, and stay tuned for more to come.